What is up, people? It's your boy, it's your dog, it's your brother from another mother, aka the lifestyle surgeon, aka Dr. Vassell, aka Wayne. I'd like to say, if you're an OG, thanks for stopping by and showing me the love. And if you're a new G, I gotta say, welcome to Crep Check, where we check out everything crep related. And today is no different. Like I said, we've got an unboxing today of not one, not two, but 3 sneakers. So let's waste no time and let's get into it. Kicking things off, let's start with the 350 that was recently released, going for a recommended retail price due to inflation now in the UK for £200. In the US, that means you're probably going to pay about $220. I am talking about the 350 V2 Boost Knit CMPCT Compact Slate Red colorway. First things to note that I noticed immediately is this box is a lot smaller than I'm used to for the 350, and it doesn't say Boost, although these sneakers definitely do have Boost technology. Let's pop it. And we take this bad boy out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Interesting or what? First impressions are, I like it better than the rendered images or the images I've seen online. And I've got to say, these are ultra comfortable. I love the fact that they've got some kind of memory foam on the forefoot. It just hugs your feet. Definitely prefer this to the previous colorway that was released, the slate blue. I think it's interesting. I like when people are creative and they are prepared to try new things. And that's what has been done with this. Overall, I like it. If you guys want a more in-depth review, I'm going to drop the video for the in-depth review of this sneaker. Just click the link above. Go check out that bad boy. Moving on to the next sneaker. We have the Forum 84 Low in the Magic Mauve Off-White colorway. This sneaker is a steal at a recommended retail price of £85. It's a sneaker you can go out and buy now. That's right, you can look and buy it now. There are so many different colorways of this sneaker. I chose this colorway because I just thought it was just super clean. Let's take a look. The box, blue, not much to shout about. Has the Adidas 3 stripes against it in the sharp white and this, I guess, electric blue color. And let's pop the hood. Let's take the sneaker out. What do we have? Whew. Let me know what you guys think of the Forum 84 Low in the Off-White Magic Mauve colorway. What's my impressions? My impressions of this sneaker is, again, it's cold. I love the aesthetics of the Forum 84 High. If you haven't seen my review to that, pop a link up there, go check it out. The aesthetics of the High are very similar to the aesthetics of the Low. The sneaker just bodes so well to customization. And I love what they've done with these colors and textures and materials. I mean, if somebody said to me that they put that many colors and that many different materials on a sneaker, I would say that can't work. Look at this and try to tell me that it don't work. Clean. Like they have leather, suede, cracked suede, plastic, rubber. It's just everything and everything with just such a feast of colors. If you want to see the in-depth review of this bad boy, just click the link above and go check that bad boy out. But my impressions are, you can't go wrong with an 84 Low. Okay, and last but not least, we have a pair of Jordans. But what pair of Jordans? Well, we have the Jordan, actually my first pair of Jordan 5s, the Air Jordan 5 Retro in the Racer Blue colorway. This now goes for the recommended retail price here in the UK for £180, and in the US you're probably looking at $200. The box, beautiful, black, matte black that does catch the light with the red Jumpman that just pops. Let's pop the box and get into this. Woo! Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of the Air Jordan 5. Retro in the Racer Blue colorway. What I love about this sneaker is the color choice. The outsole having that transparent detail with the electric blue, black, just pops. In addition, the majority of the upper is made of premium feeling suede, again, which pops against this mesh detail, which is found in various points on the sneaker. I love the detail on the tongue. Black goes with everything. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. And if you again want to see a more detailed review of this bad boy, do yourself a favor, click the link above. All right, people, that is the unboxing for today. If you have enjoyed this video, do your boy a solid, drop me a like, because your likes help me to grow this channel and to continue to bring you this content. In addition, while you're there, why not just slide across and click that subscribe button as well. Your subscription and your likes helps me grow and bring this stuff to you, as you done know. People, it's been a wave. The Life Surgeon is out. Love.